Hi, I'm Jared Bailey, Benefits Global Brow Expert, and today I'm going to teach you my favorite tips and tricks on how to use Brow Contour Pro. Now this is everything you need. It's a 4-in-1 pen that's going to help you clean, define, highlight, and shape those brows with, well, the click of a pen. Alright, now it's time to show you how to contour those brows like a real pro. So you're going to start with the lighter shade. You're simply going to click down, and then you're going to twist to make the product appear. So start by using this lighter shade and creating a fluid line along the base of the brow. And if you want to turn up the drama, then you can go along the top of the brow and you can create a fluid line along that as well. I'm going to take a spoolie and just push any excess product through the brow. So now you want to click over to your deeper brow shape and you want to do the same thing. You're going to start at the base and you're going to go along that brow shape all the way to the end. Now it's time to add a layer of contrast to really make that brow stand out. So I'm going to use that definer shade and I'm going to go in and I'm going to snuggle it right next to that brow line to really make things stand out. Now if you're wondering where you should apply the defining shade, a good rule of thumb is to do it like this. Anywhere that you see product on the skin, you're going to snuggle that defining shade super close to it and blend away so it gives it that 3D look. Then you're going to go in with your highlighting shade and place it all along the brow bone. And then you just want to blend it away. Just like that. And there you have it. Insta-worthy brows with 4 products inside of just one pen. Now make sure you comment below if you have any questions about Brow Contour Pro or give us a shout out if you've tried it. Until next time, Benefabes.